Hello, and thank you for joining us today. And here we are, we're going to continue on with the customization of our mid-90s Harley Davidson Road King. And here's the paint getting done over there at the paint shop. We're going to bring it home and we are going to get started on reassembling this bike. Okay, got the rear fender back on. Actually taking this off wasn't that hard, wasn't that difficult. It's like 5 major bolts. And then if you didn't have a backrest on there, you wouldn't even have to worry about that. Got the wires all hooked back up. Got them back in place, so they should be secure there. Don't have to worry about that too much. It's under the seat and everything, so, but moving forward. Okay, we'll get the transmission in. We had to hook up the starter. And I'm glad I took pictures of this stuff before I took it apart, because I had a wire not in the right place. It's in the right place now. So I think this is a ground wire. This is the hot wire here coming from the battery going into the starter. And we put the pivot in there and we just torqued that all down. 45 foot-pounds, and there's the transmission. Get ready to start the motor next. Got all my hose clamps on there ready to go, so hopefully we can just hook those right up after we get it bolted down. I'm going to clean up the bolts right now, so get them ready to put in.
Who killed 600 men of the Philippines with an ox goad, and he also delivered Israel. As noted then, the derivation of his name is uncertain. However, it is likely that this is a reversal of the name 119 Moses saying, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my nativ," my path. One of my favorite verses in scripture. War ceased, but the people remained in a state of vexation due to lawlessness. War again took place at the time, so Deborah that they no longer
gotta get that to line up right there.
The next words are simple to translate, but they don't help
there's a piece of wood under here to keep the transmission
until I arose.
kind of level.
Deborah.
So
The distressing
level
issue
the transmission
addressed in the first
across with
clause
this
is
will line this up.
alleviated through the to handle the dire situation until Deborah arose, or two, there was no peaceful pastoral properly in the land. Community would break down and chaos would ensue.
Okay, so we got the new Thunder Max fuel injection system installed. And here's the old fuel injector system. The old Magneti Marelli. Here's the electronic control module. I had to replace that with the new upgraded module. Here's the actual fuel injector itself. I'll probably just clean that up, maybe take it to a swap meet and get rid of it, because it's still good. It still works fine. Here's part of the air filter. And then just some parts I have to put on. So we have a new motor, or a rebuilt motor, rebuilt transmission. We got the Thunder Max installed, all the wires hooked up. Everything hooks right up. It's amazing how great this kit was. And then the electronic control module fits behind all of these components here, back in there. Had to install all of that. I could have done a video on just that installation, but because I couldn't find anything out there on YouTube about doing this, but I just followed the directions, and it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too hard. So I'm going to continue on here with the reassembly of the custom Road King, and yeah, hopefully you can continue to stay tuned. Okay, here we are. Got the rear back on, the new wheel, new fat spokes, primaries in, the motor, rebuilt transmission, new Fender Magneti FI system. Next thing we're going to do is move on to the front end. That whole front end's coming off because we're replacing the wheel and we're replacing the fender. It's going to be all black. The whole bike's going to be all black. All the paint's already done. So hopefully you can come back and watch that. Thanks for watching, and yeah, hope to see you next time.